In this problem, x plus y is 6, xy is 36. We are required to find the values of x and y. Let us call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. From equation 1, we can make y subject of the formula, which will give us y is equal to 6 minus x. And then we can substitute this value into equation 2, which will give us x into 6 minus x is equal to 36. I'll open this bracket. This will give me 6x minus x squared is equal to 36, or minus x squared plus 6x is equal to 36. I can multiply through by -1, or I can bring this to the left hand side first of all. But I'll do the first. So either multiply or divide through by -1 on both sides. So you say times -1 times -1. So that this gives us x squared minus 6x is equal to -36. If we bring this to the left hand side, we get x squared minus 6x plus 36 is equal to 0. We'll solve this quadratic equation using the general quadratic formula. Comparing this equation with this quadratic equation means that a is 1, b is -6, and c is 36. And the formula we're going to be using is minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. I'll put in each of these values, giving me x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 36. Square root of that, then divided by 2, because this is 2 times 1. X is equal to minus times minus is plus, so we have 6, then plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared here will give us 36, then minus 4 times 1 times 10 is 36, 4 times 36, then divided by 2. Therefore, x will give us 6 plus or minus square root of 36 is common here. I'll factorize this, leaving me with 1 minus 4 divided by 2. This implies that x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 times -3, then divided by 2. Therefore, x becomes 6 plus or minus square root of 36 times square root of -3, then divided by 2. This will give us x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 here is 6, then root minus 3 divided by 2, which will give us x is equal to 6 plus or minus 6. Square root of minus 3 will give us square root of 3 times I, then divided by 2. Let us separate this into x is equal to 6 divided by 2 plus or minus 6 root 3I divided by 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 3, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 3. Then x is going to be 3 plus or minus 3 root 3I. Therefore, we have two values for x, which is x1 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 3I, and then x2, which is equal to 3 minus 3 root 3I. Recall that we said y is equal to six minus x. With this then, y1 is going to be 6 minus 3 plus, I'm going to put a bracket here, 3 plus 3 root 3I, which is going to give us y1 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3 root 3I. So y1 is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3 minus 3 root 3I. We'll also do the same thing for y2. y2 is going to be 6 minus x2. So y2 is 6 minus x2 was 3 minus 3 root 3I. So we have 3 minus 3 root 3I. Therefore, y2 is equals to 6 minus 3, then plus 3 root 3I. y2 is equals to 6 minus 3 is 3, then plus 3 root 3I. So putting all the solutions together, we say x1 comma y1. This is going to be 3 plus 3 root 3I comma 3 minus 3 root 3I. And then x2, y2 is 3 minus 3 root 3I, then 3 plus 3 root 3I. And we can see here that the solutions are symmetrical, meaning that we are good to go with just one of them. Now we can substitute this into our original equation to check. So x plus y is equal to 6, and xy is equal to 36. Let's substitute with the first equation. So our x is either of this, our y is either of this. So x plus y will be this plus this, which is going to be 3 plus 3 root 3I, then plus 3 minus 3 root 3i. This should give us 6. 3 here plus 3 here is 6. And then plus 3 root 3i minus 3 root 3i is 0. Therefore, 6 on the left is equals to 6 on the right. That part is correct. And then we check with the second equation as well. Xy is equal to 36. X is 3 plus 3 root 3 I times 3 minus 3 root 3 I should give us 36. This is difference of two squares, which is going to give us 3 squared minus 3 root 3 I squared is equal to 36. To open this bracket, I'll use this law of indices. A times b squared is equal to a squared times b squared. Therefore, for the first part, 3 squared is 9. So minus this will be 9 times square root of 3 squared times I squared, which will give us 36. This is 9 minus this cancels this. We will then have 9 times 3, which is 27. And remember, I is square root of -1. So squared is equal to 36. From here, this cancels this. So we have 9 minus 27 into -1 is equal to 36. This is going to give us 9 plus 27 is equal to 36. And 9 plus 27 is 36, which is also equal to 36, confirming that our solutions are correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.